how we can convert recurring decimal to fractions. We have what we call rational numbers that can be expressed as a fraction in the form of, let's say, x over y. So any number that can be expressed like that, like this number now, these are recurrent decimals. This guy can be written as 0.131313. So the number is 13 continues like that almost forever. So if I have a fraction like this or a decimal like this, how do I convert them to fraction? Let's see how we do. So what I do is that you make an assumption. You say let x equals to 0.1313, let's say 13. Make x equals to 0.131313. Now because only two digits repeat itself, I'll call this guy equation 1. I am going to multiply through by 100 because two digits repeated itself. If it was one digit, I'll multiply by 1. If it was 3 digits, I will multiply by 1000. So let's go. I'll multiply this by 100 equals to, if I multiply this guy by 100, this decimal will move 2 places because of the 0. So I move 1, 2. I will have 13.1313. Let me call this guy equation 2. So equation 1 is x equals to 0.1313 and so on. Now what I'm going to have here is that I'm going to subtract. We are going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. What is equation 1? My equation 1 is this. Equation 2 is this. So we have 100x minus x is equals to, what we have here is 13.1313 minus this guy. So we have 0.1313. Thing can go on like that forever. So this minus this is 99x is equals to, if you subtract this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So what we have here is 13. So we have 13 there. So if I divide through by the coefficient of this s, which is 99, this is equals to 99. This strike off this, so my x is equals to 13 over 99. So if you check this, if you use your calculator and divide 13 over 99, you observe that you're going to have 0.13131313. The same method will be adopted in solving this question. For example, we are given 0.29. This 0.29 continues like that. So 0.29, I'll make an assumption. I'll say let y equals to 0.292929. Now 292929 can go on like that forever. So because it is 0.29, I'll multiply through by 100. So if I multiply through by 100, I'm going to have 100y is equals to, now multiply it by 100, this digit will move 2 times, so 1, 2. So we have 29.2929. Of course, it's not actually 29.2929. No. After the decimal point, you call the number individually. So we have this value. So this is our equation 1. This is our equation 2. If you subtract equation 1 from equation 2, what you're going to have is 100y minus y is equals to, the first guy, 29.2929. Now 100 minus y, we have 99y is equals to this minus the other guy, which is 0.2929. If you subtract, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So what we have here is 29. So my 99y is equals to 29. So my y is equals to 29 over 99. So this is the answer. This is how you can convert this recurrent decimal to fraction. That is how you do it. If I have a question like if I have a question like, let's say we are given something like 0.6 dot. Now 0.6 dot, I want to convert this thing to a fraction. This 0.6 dot, it means it is actually 0.6666 and so on like that. But because I don't want to write plenty 6, I have to now put a dot sign there. So if I want to convert this guy, because it's only one decimal, only one digit after the decimal point, I am going to multiply. If I call this guy W equals to 0.6666 and I multiply through by 10, this is equation 1 like we did before. I multiply by 10. Why am I multiplying by 10? Because after the decimal point, I have one digit. If like this one I have here, we have 2 digits. So here we are going to multiply by 10. So what 10W is equals to, just move this guy one place. So we have 6.666. This is our equation 2. So if I subtract equation 1 from equation 2, I'm going to have 10W minus W is equals to what now? 6.666 minus 0.666. If you subtract this, you are going to have 9W is equals to what now? This is 0, 0, 0. This is 6. So if you divide through by 9, this strike off this. So your W is equals to what now? 6 over 9. So W is equals to what now? 2 over 3. So that is how we solve the question. Thank you very much for your time. I'm Mathematics. God bless you.